and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now, for those of you that aren't hungry before watching this video, I have to apologize because you may be hungry afterwards. It is a fantastic Italian coin today. This is the Tortellini and Lambrusco coin, which is part of Italy's food and wine culture series. Comes in a wonderful blister card here, a little booklet, and it's produced by the Italian Mint. So let's have a look at this now. Open the booklet. I just love that. The food that we're going to be looking at today comes from the Emilia-Romagna region in Italy, and here is the coin itself. So it's actually in a blister card, slips out of the booklet ever so nicely there. Once again, I really do like that. I think it's just a nice way to keep the coin. The card here, the blister card itself, is quite robust. And there is the coin, beautifully colored there. Excellent. So we can see there we've got €5, and it shows some typical selections of the food from this particular region. So there we can see 2 tortellini pastas. We've got our glass of Lambrusco there. Lovely rolling pin in the background. Obviously that's not food, but it's still there on the coin. We've got some Parmesan cheese there with your special small cutting knife, an egg, and a plate inspired by the faience ceramic. That's that lovely blue and white there. Very nice. Now I have to say it's a shame I can't take this coin out. I really want to, but it is packed in tight to that blister card. And one of the things I really love about this is the reverse is just as spectacular as the obverse. So here we can see we've got the bottle of Lambrusco there, the towers of Garisenda and Asinelli. I think I've said that horribly, so I apologize. Got a lovely rooster there and a wonderful, just beautiful there, stained glass window from the Modena Cathedral. Just excellent. And as I said before, it is in this wonderful blister card. Just a really fun series for coin lovers and food lovers alike. So we'll pack it back there in the blister card. That is our unboxing for today. Thank you as always for watching, and we'll see you next time. I should mention it's also 12,000 of these out there. Bye.